see. Two little ears wait to listen carefully.